In this video, we are going to take the original function and find the inverse function. In example 2, we have f of x is equal to x minus 1 over 4. Looking at my notation, this is the original function. My goal is to find the inverse. The first thing we want to do is make sure that we are using the letters x and y. So wherever I see f of x, I'm going to put the letter y and then finish off the rest of my equation. X minus 1 is over 4. Let's double check. I have an x and a y. Next up, we're going to switch x and y. So if here's a y, I'm going to switch it to x. And here's an x, I'm going to switch it to y. Now our goal is to solve for y. So I'm going to look over here and I'm noticing a big divide by 4. The opposite of divide by 4 is to multiply by 4. So if I multiply by 4 and multiply by 4, 4 over 4 will reduce to 1. On the left, I have 4 times x. Then my leftover, y minus 1. Again, our goal is to solve for y. The y is not by itself yet. I see a y minus 1. If I were to take that negative 1 and move it over, I would need to add 1 to both sides. Negative 1 and positive 1 turn to 0. Be careful, I have a 4x plus 1. Those are not like terms, so I got to keep them separate. A 4x plus 1 is equal to the letter y. Our goal was to solve for y, and I have the y by itself. That's great. As of now, I'm finished, and I just need to put it in inverse notation. All that means is that I write everything the way that I see it, but instead of the letter y, I'm going to put the inverse notation. And this is my answer, and I'm going to box it up.